Hi, my tube.
My tube too, Daddy.
Yes, son, it's your tube too. Alright, today we are unboxing two boxes.
Frogs?
So, y'all will have to go ahead and smash that like button.
Frogs?
We're not telling what it is. So y'all have to smash that like button now if y'all want to see what's going on.
Hit the subscribe button. Turn
yes,
on.
and share.
No.
Turn on the
No.
notifications.
Yeah.
Let's see what we have here, peoples. This is from someone I've never ordered from before.
Sissy frogs.
Don't tell what we're getting yet. They're gonna see. We know what these are. Unfortunately, the frogs that the school got us, and the frogs that I got Mikey, do not seem to be female. So we're gonna have to keep trying until we get the frog in every school project going. So here's a good way. Let's unpack this where y'all can see it unpacking. Neat pack in brick form and still warm. Styrofoam complete line box. Wow.
Tomato frog?
No. It's not a tomato frog, I don't think. Let's see. Oh, yeah. You're right, son. I'm sorry. Wow. My son knows his frogs better than me. Sorry, son. Yes, that is right. That is a tomato frog. Look at the little tomato. We'll name that one ketchup. And here's one. We can call it cat soup.
No.
And then, let's see. Hold this one, son. Hold this one. I think we got a dead one. Hopefully not.
Daddy.
Hold on. Oh. It's it appears to be deceased. That's sad. Let me see what else we got in here.
Daddy, look.
Come on, baby.
Mama wants to watch.
Yeah, I'm looking at her.
She wants to be in the video.
Well, unfortunately, because of your aunt, she's not allowed to. I'm still working on that.
Stop.
Okay, there's another one alive. This one's alive. Tomato. Where's that one at? Where's the one that was? Where's the dead one at? Yeah, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 of them, and one is dead. Unfortunately, I hate that. It wasn't because of a lack of packing. It could have been because of the carrier delay. Here, baby. Can I put that in there? Don't put that in there. So these are those. These are those. Let's get these guys in a better environment. Oh, hold this, please.
Escaping.
Yep, escaping.
Oh man.
Let's see. Hold on. There we go. All right, where's the lid? So there's one of the little tomato frogs. As they grow, they'll grow up and be.
No way, green.
They'll be, yeah, it starts out, that's how tomatoes start out. They're green and they grow into pink. I need to switch this up too. Pinkish red, orange. So there's tomato frog number 1.
The number 2. The number 3.
Tomato frog number 12.
3,000.
There's tomato frog number 2.
1,000.
11, well, where's the other one? Where's the containers? You putting the containers back?
Yeah.
Okay.
3,009.
Okay, there's number 2.
Number 4,000.
Yeah, when life kind of bites you in the butt, you gotta change direction and kind of do something else. So I'm gonna heal. We're gonna heal my wife and his mommy through breeding of frogs, as well as have a pixie frog in every school project.
Put this one, the big one.
One thing is a fact, we are
dead one?
We can abundantly produce more and more stuff. Hold on. There's the tomato frogs. Let me see what we got here.
This the dead one?
Yes, that is the dead one. And then we have 2 more live ones. So,
I thought we had it full.
here goes a live. Oh, we got another whole box to open too.
Pac-Man
Let me
Frogs.
see. Don't tell me what it is. Gotta save some surprise.
Why?
Because. Okay, so there's that one. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the tomato frog. And here's a tomato frog. I've been told you can keep them together, but if they're the same size, but it's not very good when you only have 6, so 5 now. We're down by a couple. That's those. I'll give them a spray of water and stuff in a minute. I'm gonna open this other box.
On a box. Pac-Man Frog.
Give me them 2. Where's the dead one at? Yeah, I'll contact them. I'm sure they'll replace it.
That's 1 frog.
Yeah.
1 more tiny.
Replace or refund. Probably since it's only 1 frog, you'll get a refund or it'll be a credit for another order.
Order $1.
Alright, get this other box house packed. Just get this over. Hold that a minute. Alright, this is a Josh's Frogs. I believe. Wait a minute, let me see.
And Pac-Man
Wait a minute, let me see where
Frogs.
this come from. Let's see what they are, son. No, this is from Jam Jam Exotic. Sorry, Jam Jam Exotic. Jam Jam Exotic.
Now open that.
Here.
Oh.
Jam Jam Exotic. Let's see what we got.
They're wet.
Oh, no, let me get this set up. Okay, what do we have here? Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Alright, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. We're banded together here. Something's going on.
Don't remember that there with the rubber band.
Alright, this is a, in fact, yes, Pac-Man Frog. Hold on, let's put this box to the side for a minute so we can unbox these.
I'm unboxing it.
Alright, so we're going to start with a Pac-Man. Hold on a minute before you unbox them all. Okay, so here is a Pac-Man Frog. I'll actually use this container as his water bowl.
For a lot of you.
Wow, look at that, people. This is either the emerald or it's the another one. There's a teal and there's an emerald. Let's clean him up a little bit. Jam Jam did a good job. Okay. Pac-Man Frogs are back. That one's from Jam Jam Exotics. I'll compare the two once we get the other one. There is 2 Pac-Mans. One of them is a teal from a monster line. Came out of the same bunch as monsters, so
Yeah,
it will
13
have.
minutes.
There's a possibility that it will become a monster or it will have monsters. Here's another one. Whoa, right in the thing. Yep. This is the teal, I think, and the other one is the emerald. If I'm not mistaken. This one came out of a monster batch. It may actually turn into a monster. Have y'all ever seen a Pac-Man so beautiful? I mean, I'm sure you have if you watch Pac-Mans. Hold on a minute. Yeah. There's that one. here is this one. And compare the two. You see the two together. There's that one. And that one, you can see that one has spikes on it. I mean, not spikes, it has spots on it. And here is this one. So we have a monster, people, possibly. Either way, when it breeds, it will have monster offspring. These are very, very amazing and valuable. So we'll have that going. That's the 2 packs. And it was not. Wait a minute, it was labeled. Where's the container that was on? Oh no, that's the price on it. I'm sorry. All right, here we go. So that's that. What do you think about the packs, son?
Good.
Glad to have packs again.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is wrong with this? What's wrong with this container?
I don't know.
Alright, so there's the 2 packs. What are you showing over there without me? Don't show without me. This is a group effort. What is that?
Pixie frog.
Oh, it is? Yep. Another pixie frog, peoples. Another pixie frog. Look at your mama, how excited she is. Edward Tindall and Mikey Tindall and Mommy Tindall. Sorry, Sarah, I'm not allowed to put you in here, baby. We know you want to be in here. I'm still working on that. You know, poor Sarah feels like she's segregated against because she don't get to be part of her life that has been her everyday life for the last 6 years. So that's not good. Let's clean this pixie off. Our hopes on getting pixies, more pixies, is to get more females. Yes, so we can breed them. Yeah, these are decent sized frogs too. Awesome. Awesome decent sized frogs from Jam Jam. Awesome sized frogs. Where's the other ones at?
That biggest one.
Okay, we got another one. We gotta get them other containers. Here's another pixie. Alive and well. Where's this one? Another little baby pixie. That one's size of a quarter.
That one bigger.
What is this one?
That
Is there anything in this one?
Toenail.
How many more is there? There's nothing in here? Okay, so we have 3 pixies, 2 Pac-Mans, and 5 tomato frogs. 2 pixies, 3 pixies. What are the 3 pixies? 1, 2, 3 pixies, 2 Pac-Mans, 5 tomato frogs. There was going to be 6, but one of them unfortunately was dead in shipping. So stay tuned, people. Don't forget to hit that, smash that like and subscribe button and everything. And all your comments about how much y'all love Sarah to be in the videos, leave it in the comments below, because I do go through them and read them to her, and it gives her enjoyment to know that people still care about her despite all the bad things that are happening. Stay tuned. Tindall's out.
Peace.